Hey guys, my name is Jerry. We're out here today at a restaurant location, and today we are going to perform a coil cleaning on this condenser, and we are going to use my favorite product, Renewz from Rector Seal. This product does not harm or deteriorate your aluminum fins or your aluminum coils. It's a great product to use and to get all that dirt and stuff out of these coils. And remember guys, to always wear your safety PPE to protect yourself from the chemicals from your face, your eyes, while performing the coil cleaning. Also, a very important step while maintaining any HVAC unit, make sure you turn the disconnect off, the power to the unit, so that you're not at risk of hurting yourself with electricity. Alright guys, the instructions are really easy to follow at this location since it's a restaurant. It's a heavy duty grease cleaning, so you're going to do the 1 part chemical to 3 parts water, and it will help dilute all that grease and dirt. So for this next step, we're just going to pre-rinse the coil before we add the solution. All you gotta do is wet it lightly. For this next step, guys, we want to apply the Renewz generously along all the rows, all the coil, on all sides. Next step, guys, you want to let the chemicals sit for a good 10 minutes. As you can tell, the foam, the chemicals already foaming out, getting all that dirt and grease out of the coil. That's what you want it to do, but let it sit for a good 10 minutes so it can do a thorough job. As you can tell, as I'm rinsing it down, you can see everything just coming right out as the foam just takes all that dirt and grease right out of the fin. Always remember to rinse the coil thoroughly. Last but not least, always remember to turn your unit back on so the customer is not left without AC during the day or the night. That's it. And remember guys, Rector Seal offers a full line of coil cleaning solutions.